Hello everyone, my name is Thelma Britton, and today I want to show you what is inside the new website that I have. I'm still with the same company, which was IPS, but we have a new community that's separate from that, which is giving us the extra 3 income streams. So this is what my new website looks like. All you do is put your email address in here and click Get My Blueprint Now, and it will take you to my website. I really like this new website. It's very, very professional looking. So you just scroll down and just read all the information. You can click this button here and it'll take you to the sign up page to make your payment. And just keep scrolling down and it will give you a lot of information on how this system works. I'm not going to go through and talk about all this. You can read it on your own time. And you can create this website, you can edit it and put your own pictures. There's certain things that you can change yourself. As you can see, I put my bio here and my picture, so you can change this image as well. You can change put any image in here that you would like, if it's your family or whatever. And we do have step-by-step videos to show you how to edit this website. This website is already created. You just go in and add your payment buttons, your personal information like your name, your pictures, and your whatever else you want to update on here. And this is telling you about the different income streams, and these are some of the testimonials. This is another thing that I found out that we can go in and change too. We can add our own testimonies in here. So I'm going to add mine and put my testimony in here. Okay, and we also have payment options. So you click on the blue button and it shows you the payment options. We have pay with link. You can do cash out. You can do Afterpay and Klarna. If you choose Afterpay for the $600, it says there's a 12-month payment. I don't know if that really does work, because when I came in it had that option there, but I wasn't able to use it. So you can also do 6-month or the 4 interest free payments of $150. Now that is every 2 weeks. Yeah, monthly, every 2 weeks. Yeah. So that lets you know you have that option if you want to make payments, if you don't have the money to just pay it off. So after that, you continue to scroll down and look at everything on the website. And these are the other 2 payment options. The passive daily pay blueprint is $300 and the Launchpad is $100. The $100 one is really for people that is brand new. This really will help those that are new. If you have somebody that's, say, 18 and they want to start their own business, pay for college, buy a car, pay for their new apartment, or build money up, buy a house, but they have no idea how to get started with a business, then the Launchpad would be their best option. Or if it's anybody that wants to learn and they don't know anything about starting an online business, the Launchpad would be the best way for them to go. But whichever one they choose, they both have payment plans. So you click on that, see they both have, this one has a payment plan. And even though this is $100, it also has a payment. Cash App, Afterpay, and Klarna. Afterpay, let's see what it is for this one. 4 interest-free payments of $25. So you can't beat that. Coming in and starting your own business and you can make payments of $25. I haven't seen anybody do that. So that is a really good idea for new people coming in that don't have a lot of money to get started with the business, but they want to learn how to get started and not have to spend a lot of money. So that is what this website looks like. I really enjoy this website, and it was already, we were built for more. Okay. But yes, this is really a good idea for people like me that's not techie. I hate trying to build a website. It's very, very time consuming, and it just stresses me out and it hurts my brain. So I'm not interested in that. So I would like to thank Michelle O'Neill, which is the lady that created this community. She came in IPS, which is where we all started, And she created this community for us, those of us that she saw that was having a hard time getting started and getting passive income coming in. So she created this wonderful community for us. Once you come in, you will automatically be entered into the community. You can only come into this community by invite. If somebody didn't invite you in, you didn't buy from that person, you cannot get into this community. And if some kind of way you do slip through, she will find you and you will get kicked out. But I tell you, this is the best thing for people to start in their own business, learning how to build up their social media presence like myself. This is the best way to do it. The people in this community are very helpful. There's always positive things being said in here. We do not allow any negative people coming in. If she see that you're negative, if anybody else see that you're negative, they will report you and you'll get a warning. And if you keep doing it, you will get kicked out. We don't allow spamming. We don't allow anything negative in this community. If you're struggling with something, somebody in the community will help you and answer your question, help you to resolve a problem. And Michelle always creates videos of step-by-step instructions on how to set the website, or edit the website, or helping you to create content for your videos. All of the videos that I've been creating on TikTok, I've been learning through Michelle's community. So this is a really great community to get started with. So that is the end of this website. So it is a very, very good website. It's the best website I've seen. So just come in and just look around. And if you're serious about changing your life, creating a passive income, and if you really are passionate about helping others to quit their job or to create a side income and to get their life back so they can spend time with their family, creating memories and travel, if this is something that you're really passionate about, well, then you're in the right place. And find the link to my website and put your email address in there, and then I will help you get started on creating a new path to success.